In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove object in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is have an image with an object. I'm going to remove this cassette over here from this image. And then the first thing I would recommend is you actually right click and you rasterize the layer. Okay, so just click on it like that and then you're good to go. Now from here, you have two options. First, you want to switch onto the Pixel Studio up top. And then you have to basically choose either if you want to select this. So you could go ahead and use the freehand selection tool or whichever one you want, and you could just select around it roughly like that. And then when you do this, it's going to basically create a selection. You could then go up top to where it says pixel, and it's going to say in paint over here. Just make sure you have your image selected. So pixel in paint, and it's going to start the inpainting process, and it's going to basically take samples of the background that's next to it, and it's going to remove the object just like this. As you can see, that's it, and it worked very well. You can't actually tell anything was on there. However, you also have a separate option if you want to be a bit more precise. I'm gonna go ahead and place it back in. There we go. You could also use this tool over here, which is the Inpainting Brush tool. So inside the Pixel Studio, you can see down here, just below this Clone Brush tool, you'll be able to see the Inpainting Brush tool. This is going to do the exact same thing, so just make it a bit bigger. I'm gonna be like this, okay? And then you can just basically paint over it like that, and then you can paint over the object, okay? Make sure everything is filled, release your mouse click, and it's going to basically start the inpainting brush. Now this may take a few seconds. If you have bigger objects, it could take like to a minute. There we go. And this is basically a great result as well. So it's up to you whichever method you want to use, but that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.